Hi there. Hi. What's going on, naked boy? You get the hiccups? What else is going on? Uh-oh. What's that face? Huh? Did you make a mess? Did you make a poop? Yeah. I think you did. I think I heard it. Want to say hi to the internet? Hi, internet. Hi, internet. I have a stinky bum. And my mama's gonna change me now. You like that idea? Oh, bless you. And then I'm gonna continue on with my hiccups. And eat my monkey blanket, apparently. Bye, internet.